Realistically, now give me a worst case scenario. When do you think?
I think worst case scenario, we should have it in our warehouse by Tuesday, end of Tuesday.
What is the date?
Fourth. Fourth.
No, Vijit, no. That's not worst case scenario. That's an impossible scenario.
Shamika, we want to discuss the Lip Nectar launch date.
I was planning mentally at a 10th as a date.
Yeah.
If we can do like a 8th, 9th, even better, because you're giving people a good 1 week. If we lose out on the Valentine's week for sales, that's a huge ops loss because that is gifting frenzy. Like you said,
Yeah,
the price
exactly.
point is very good for this launch, and it's a very good thing to like just easily gift. So I have really fought with logistics and our entire supply chain to ensure that by 31st Jan, the products are hitting India.
Lip balm was never on the cards for us because I was consciously not wanting to build a product in that category. The category had suddenly taken a huge trend upsurge, and at some point, then I start thinking, when there is that much. There are that many options in the market. Why do people still want one from the brand?
We were thinking, then what if this time instead of only having the lip balm on our website, what if we launch with exclusivity with the retail?
That's a very interesting point. I think this could be a launch that we can actually take this sort of a Nykaa retailer exclusive bet on. So if we can make it accessible to them on a platform that they shop most from,
Yeah.
that would be like a bang on success recipe for the launch as well.
Hi, Karan.
Hi, Shamika. Hey,
Good
hi.
to see you.
Same here.
Long time. Glad to finally be having this.
Yeah.
So we are, like you were
Yeah.
talking about lip balm, we are doing lip balms.
Awesome.
And sooner rather than later. So just next month, we actually, day after tomorrow, we're shooting the campaign for
Amazing. Okay.
the launch. So targeting a Feb 10th-ish, right before Valentine's is what we want to do. So
Okay.
smaller, under 1,000
Mm-hmm.
ASP.
Okay.
Yeah, entry level can be a good entry level product for the brand.
So I think you should put marketing into lips because as a category, it's growing for us. So and premium segment. I mean, you will be launching around 800 or 900
Yeah,
below
yeah,
1,000,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So that is really flying off the shelf right now.
See, I am also keen to have it in the Pink Love sale. It'll help us achieve a lot of our targets. And in the sale, the lip balms would fly. We will have our stocks in hand by 29.
Or 29th of Jan.
Yeah. That's why we were saying safe, 10th Feb ke pehle nahi.
Okay.
But now if you have to move it.
Makes sense. So exciting. I think a lot of new launches.
Yeah. Hi guys, we're back and today we're shooting our newest launch and we're actually going to give you a first sneak peek into what really goes behind when we shoot for a campaign.
So when you're going for a lower lip, slightly tilt down the product so it swipes. Yeah.
So you can see that there are a lot of flowers here because the lip balm is actually, the formula is made from nectar that is derived from flowers. So floral nectar is what the lip balm formula is derived from, which is why we have a lot of flowers for this shoot. There were demands for lip balm that started pouring in. We wanted to build on a texture play where we kind of find the sweet spot given that we live in such a hot and humid country. We were inspired by floral nectars, the honey and the nectars that sort of comes. And that's an in-between texture. It's not oily, it's not waxy, it's right in between. That's what we were inspired by and we launched Tender Lip Nectar. Can someone tell me when is the inventory hitting our warehouse?
So minor inconvenience there.
Is it minor?
Is it not really minor? Yep. The logistics has arrived. The shipment is in India, but sadly we don't have a set of documents from our manufacturer. I've checked with them. We were missing around 5 documents. Managed to procure 4 of them. There is only 1 more that is left. We are expecting to get it by end of tomorrow. So it is a very stressful moment. It is much worse because everybody who I have to collaborate with, all my stakeholders, are on a holiday.
Is it because of the holiday, national
Primarily,
holiday?
yes. It is the Lunar New Year. Everybody's off their laptops, off their phones. So it's very tough to reach them.
We will uncover demurrage warehouse additional
Yes.
charges,
Yes.
and we have to pay a 20%
Custom.
additional customs duty. That is close to 5,000
Got it.
USD.
Yes.
We
No.
just have to pay extra if we cannot procure this document.
Yes.
Realistically, now give me a worst case scenario. When do you think?
I think worst case scenario, we should have it in our warehouse by Tuesday, end of Tuesday.
What is the date?
Fourth.
No, Pujit, no. That's not fine. That's not okay. That's not worst case scenario. That's an impossible scenario. Our whole launch will get derailed. No.
We will be fine. Telling it twice, once for you, once for myself. But we'll be fine.
Just got a message from our printers that none of the barcodes on the mono cartons that we have printed are scanning, which means that we have to sticker all of the mono cartons with a different colored barcode, or the entire batch of mono cartons has to go into reprint again. We've already working on a very tight timeline. We literally have 1 day when the mono cartons get into our warehouse, and then we have to dispatch the inventory to Nykaa. Now, if we have to stick all the mono carton, that's doubling and tripling the warehouse time. Till 8. That's 20 days.
You were supposed to launch today at 9 a.m. You ended up launching last night.
Our packages to our creators and even people we're collaborating with to get some videos out on our page, like in this first week of launch, started reaching super early. Like our logistics was on like another plane. So because of that, like all the packages started reaching early. A lot of people started posting. Most of them we saw within the first minute and had it taken down. So we decided, hey, everybody's already finding out, so let's just make it live.
So as of today, we are live on Nykaa.
Pujit,
He's making us coffee.
Pujit, what is important right now? Please come here. Launch kar rahe hai.
I would say write Tender Lip Nectar again.
Just call the nectar.
Nectar offers the right weight balminess with the sleek feel of an oil, intentionally formulated to strike the perfect balance between thick balms and slippery oils. Tender Lip Nectar hits the sweet in-between spot with its just right texture. Think of it as the Goldilocks of lip balms.
Okay, alright, we go. Ready? Everyone, stay on your profile. Okay, that's live. We did it, team.
Ended up with a hoot only.
My brain is clean from all the launch thing. Like my brain is like wired. Like tuck, 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 tuck. Phone is buzzing like Slack, WhatsApp, Instagram, personal, brand, email, then ting, ting, ting of Shopify. I'm like, "Ah."
The response has been phenomenal. It's been the most insightful for me as a founder to see that when you give exactly what the community wants in the shape, form, pricing, all of it, the response is overwhelming. We've sold 300 units already.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you.
Like, share, and follow.
I have one more question right now, but after the camera is gone.
You can, if, what is it?
No, I'll
Don't ask me for leaves and all.
No.